Hello everyone. In this session, we are going to see another example of finding inverse of 3 by 3 matrix by elementary row transformations. Before finding the inverse, we have to first find the determinant of that matrix. So determinant of matrix is equal to first element, delete row and column of that element, take the determinant of rest elements as it is. You know how to find the determinant. Okay. Now, so determinant is 25. This is not equal to 0. Therefore, A inverse exists. Okay. Now, A inverse is exists. So, we will start with the definition of A inverse to find the inverse by row transformation. Definition is A into A inverse is identity. So, replace A and identity matrix by their appropriate values. Okay. Now, we have to adjust identity matrix. We have to adjust identity matrix at this place. Identity matrix means 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1, so that we get the value of A inverse. Okay, so for that, see, at first position there is 1. Okay, so we have to just adjust 0 here and here. First we will adjust 0 at the place of -3. So for that we multiply first row by 3, first row by 3 and add it to second. So 3 into 1 becomes 3. See, 3 into 1 becomes 3 and minus 3 minus 3 is 0. So R2 is going to change. So we write transformation as R2 changes to R2 plus 3 into R1. Okay, so do the calculations, write R2 as it is plus 3 into R1, multiply R1 by 3, add the respective elements, you will get new R2 as 0 9 minus 11 3 1 0. Replace that R2 in original equation. So we have replaced R2 has been replaced. Okay, now adjust 0 to this position. Okay, here it is 1, so we multiply R1 row 1 by -2. So -2 into 1 becomes -2 and -2 plus 2 0. So R3 is going to change. So we write the transformation as multiply this by -2, write the transformation as R3 changes to R3 plus -2 into R1. R3 is going to change, R3 plus -2 into R1. Do the calculation, right? At R3 as it is plus -2 into R1, write all the elements, add respective elements, you will get new R3. 0 minus 1 4 minus 2 0 1. So replace that R3 in original matrix. So your equation becomes this. See, R3 has been replaced. This R3 has been replaced. Okay. Now see, now we will adjust 0 to this position and this position 3. Okay. Okay, write the equation as it is. Now we will adjust 0 at this position. Okay, here it is -1, so we will make use of R2. Okay, R2 element is, second element of R2 is 9. Okay, so we have to multiply third row by 9. Okay, multiply third row by 9. So 9 into -1 becomes -9 and -9 and plus 9 become 0. Okay, so R3 is going to change. So write transformation as R3 changes to, row 3 changes to 9 into R3 plus R2. 9 into R3 plus R2. Do the calculations. 9 into R3 first plus R2. 9 into R3 means, now multiply this 9 to all the elements of third row plus R2 row 2 as it is, add all the respective elements. Then your new R3 is now 0 0 25 minus 15 1 9. See, 0 0 25, we have replaced that in original equation. Okay, now Now we adjust 0 to this position. Okay, so to adjust 0, we will multiply first row by minus 3 and second row we will add it to that row. Okay, so R1 is going to change. See, R1 is going to change. R1 is going to change. Row 1 is going to change. So we write the transformation as R1 changes to minus 3 into R1 minus 3 into R1. Why minus 3? Because minus 3 into plus 3 becomes minus 9. Minus 3 into 3 minus 9, and minus 9 plus 9 becomes 0. Okay, so minus 3 into R1 plus R2. Okay, do the calculations. Minus 3 into R1 ला minus 3 ने multiply करून घ्या plus R2. Do the calculations. Okay, so we have now 0 0 0. Okay, see, first element 1 has been disturbed, but don't think about that. We can, by dividing minus 3, we can adjust 1 there. Okay, so don't think about that. First we will adjust 0 to all the positions. Okay, now we will adjust 0 to at the position of minus 5 and minus 11. Okay, so take this equation as it is. Now we multiply first row by 5. पहिल्या रोला 5 ने मल्टीप्लाय करूया. सो 5 into minus 5 becomes minus 25. Okay, and if add it to this 25, you will get 0. Okay, so R1 is going to change. Here you at first position you are going to take 0. Okay, so transformation becomes R1 changes to 5R1 plus R3. Okay, do the calculations. 5 into R1. Okay, multiply R1 by 5 plus R3 as it is. So you will get minus 1500 minus 1569. Replace this R1 in original matrix. Okay, now at the position of minus 11 we have to adjust 0, but now see, at this position there is 0, at this position it is 25. So you can't make 25 to 11 and 11 to 25. At this level we have to multiply both the rows R1 and R2. Okay, so we will multiply R2 by 25. Okay, so 25 into 11, then second row by 11. So 11 into 25, both become same and sign is minus, so they will get cancelled and you will get 0 there. Okay, so write the R2 is going to change now. Okay, so transformation becomes R2 changes to 25 into R2. 25 into R2 plus 11 into R3. Sign is already opposite. Okay, so do the calculations. 25 into R2, 25 into 0, 25 into R2. Okay, 25 into 9, 25 into 9 is 225. 25 into 11 minus 275. 25 into 3 75. And this. Now multiply R3 by 11. So 11 into 25 is 275. See, 275, 275 are same now. So minus 275 plus 275 0. Okay. Now add all these elements. Okay. So you will get R2 as 0, 225 0 minus 90 36 99. Okay. So second row becomes this now. See, we have adjusted 0 to all the positions. Now at first position you want 1. Okay, so just divide first row by minus 15. So you will get 1 at that position. Divide R2 by 225. So 225 divided by 225 is 1. Divide R3 by 25. So 25 upon 25 is 1. Respective at right side you divide all the elements by respective element. Okay, see, This is your matrix. So we divide R1 by minus 15. So R1 changes to R1 upon minus 15. R2 changes to R2 divided by 225. And R3 changes to R3 divided by 225. So that at first matrix at diagonal at these positions we will get 1. Okay. Now divide every element. See, at minus 15 upon 15 is 1. See, at this row minus 15 upon minus 15 is 1. Okay, so 6 upon minus 15, 6 upon minus 15, here 6 upon minus 15 is 3 2 ja 6, 3 5 ja 15. So it is 2 upon minus 5. Okay, like that. And second row, divide second row by 225. Similarly, 225 is divided to element and we have cancelled common factor. Similarly, in third row we have divided by 25. So this is your A inverse, because this is identity matrix. So I into A inverse is A inverse. So this is your A inverse. Okay. See, A inverse is equal to. Okay. First, you just write this example in notebook. Try to solve at your own. If you find any difficulty, then see the video and check your answer.